Good news and bad news. Bad news, I don't know what to do. Do this right. Addition. When you have an addition problem, children, what do we call the answer? Do you know? 6 plus 5. Oh, look at that. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Answer to an addition problem? Anybody go on with it? Yeah? It is something special. And the two things that you add together are called the 6 and the 5. Anybody? That's good. 7th graders didn't know either. Did they not? Maybe they did. 6th graders. Kate?
Addends.
They are the addends. So just so you know, if somebody asks you what the addends are when you do that. Now with addition, we have some properties. Properties, which means just things that are true. And one of the true things about addition is that it has the commutative property. And you should be very thankful for this property. Do you know why? Because it makes your life very, very easy. Commutative property comes from the word, anybody? C-O-M-M-U-T-E is commute. Does anybody know what commute means? I wouldn't if I was in 6th grade, I'm sure would. But I'll tell you, your parents commute to work, probably you commute to school, you take commuter buses. True?
Going from one place to the other.
Yeah, kind of like that. If you think of the word move. And the commutative property of addition says this. You know, if you have something like 5 plus 9, you can move them around and change the order and make it 9 plus 5. Okay, and it doesn't change the problem. You still get the same answer. To which you're going to say, who cares? Or, so what? Well, just know that that's not true for subtraction. You can't flip the numbers around in subtraction. I can't say that 10 minus 5 is the same thing as 5 minus 10 because they're not. Okay, we can't even do 5 minus 10, well we can, it's a negative number. So the commutative property says that you could move them, and the nice thing about that is when you see a problem that looks like this, you know, 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. The nice thing when you see a problem like that is you can move those to make easier addition problems. Maybe some of you don't like 7 plus 9. I don't know if you do or you don't, but the commutative property, and I need my toolbar. Does anybody know where the tools went? Oh, yeah, here. Somebody?
Yeah, I know.
Is it here? No. Who knows where they went? Where'd they go? I don't think.
Here.
No, that's not it.
You can get this one from me.
This one? No tools. No tools. Oh, I didn't want that, sorry. I just wanted, wait, what happened?
No, it's still in the top.
Hold on a second. We're going back to the menu things.
There, drop.
Ah, see, look at it, it's up. In other words, it was the deal with this. Most people don't like to do 7 plus 9 and blah, 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 but the commutative property says that you can take this and move this here and maybe move this 3 over here and then move this 9 right here. And that makes it a lot easier because 7 plus 3 is easy to do, correct? That's 10, and 9 plus 1 is another 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20. Whereas before you'd have to add all that. So be thankful for the commutative property. The other property, the other property we have is the identity property. This one's not going to probably floor you. The identity property just says that if you add 0 to anything, you get what? You take 15 and add 0 to it, what do you get? Alright, I'll just tell you. You get what you started with. And because of that, something's really wrong with this board today. You get what you started with. And because of that, you can do really hard addition problems like 7,200,000 plus 0 is 7,200,000. Imagine all the math facts, addition facts you know because of that property. Adding 0 to anything gives you itself. Are you good with that? Perfect, good. Now we have to go to subtraction, so get out a new piece of paper.